However, Scunny says that. Continue on my poetry corner. Your next poem, give us short poems that I came up with. And this one is poem 29, A Walk in the Park. Actually, part one of it. Sometimes I want to get away from the hoopla of modern life. So at times I just want to get away from the people. It's alone with me, my thoughts, and God. I have a bike before me. I go on with my nature walk. Of course, this applies. My parents are out of town for a while. I'm the man of the house. I work at Burger King. I have the day off today, so I do my daily chores. Take my dog Princess out for a little walk. Make sure I have a pooper scooper so I can clean up after her.